Hey guys, okay, so following up on the previous video, I've started the process of reconnecting the shiftout module to the Arduino Uno, basically it kind of pushing back on everything else and just focusing on that to get the relay switches working. Once I've got that, then we'll reconnect the wiring for the motor controller, etc., to actually start communicating with the motors again. Hopefully that'll fix the power problem. Okay, so this is not pretty for now, but basically what you can see here is we've got the shiftout module wired back in. It's connected for communications with the Uno, and then it's going to get power or it's going to give power to the relay board through these temporary wires for now. So once we flip the switch on for power to the Uno, we should see the lights come up on the relay. Let's do that now. Okay, so I goofed already. So I had the power for the relays connecting directly to the power from this from the shift out, which obviously is not going to work because it's not getting power. Anyway, so nothing happened. So what I figured out was I need to send power from the Uno to the breadboard, from the breadboard to the shift out, and similarly from the breadboard to the relay switch. So I'll now try to connect that and we'll see what happens. Okay, all I'm doing now is connecting the USB cable that's connected to the Uno to my laptop here just to get power to the board, and we should see some lights. Okay, so we've got the light on the relay switch now, you can see that. What we don't have is lights on the actual individual relays. So what you can see here is we've got power coming to the board, but we have no lights on the actual individual relays. So we have individual channels 1 through 8, and none of those lights are on. So that basically tells us that the relays are not on. Which would explain why we're not sending power from the relay switch down the line. Okay, so what we have here is a diagram of the actual shift-out board. So you can see the actual ports on the input, the output, and the communication that actually fall in between. So the ones that you see here in the middle, those communicate on the 8-bit kind of on the 8-bit channel communicating out. So that's how we're going to send our messages out to the relay switch, which is 8-bit. So that's going to be the next step.